Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pour the hot coffee over a cup that's filled with lots and lots of ice. You'll notice a few iced cubes starting to melt, which will help dilute and bring it to room temperature. After a few minutes and when there's ice floating, not melting, transfer into a new cup filled with ice. Add creamer and sugar if desired. 31 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, you can use glassware for hot beverages. There are numerous tea shops in China that use glass and many a coffee shop, too. The cracking, shattering, not an automatic reaction of high heat plus glass. It is a reaction to the glass heating through its thickness at different temperatures.
Take our lead.
Instructions. Grind the coffee beans into a coarse grind. Combine the ground coffee and water in the jar. Stir to incorporate. Steep the coffee overnight in the fridge. Strain the coffee concentrate. Transfer to the cold brew to a clean jar for longer-term storage. Make your iced coffee. The 2nd of May 2020.
Take our lead.
Weigh out 50 grams of coffee and grind it medium fine, about the consistency of kosher salt. Add 367 grams of water to the coffee maker's water reservoir. Add 183 grams of ice to the carafe. Place a filter inside the drip cone or drip coffee filter basket and rinse it with hot water. 20 May 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.